Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the discreet yet ultra-luxurious world of Credor, Seiko's most refined and artistic brand. While Grand Seiko is celebrated worldwide, Credor has remained a niche treasure. But with releases like these two new Goldfeather models, references GBBY969 and GBBY971, it's clear they're ready to shine. The Goldfeather line is Credor's take on the ultimate ultra-thin dress watch. Both of these new references are crafted in polished 950 platinum, measuring a classic 37.4 millimeters in diameter and only 8.3 millimeters thick. Under a box-shaped sapphire crystal, the star of the show appears, the enamel dial. These dials are produced by the famed Ando Cloisonné workshop in Japan, using an ancient basse-taille technique. First, a swirling bas-relief pattern is engraved into a solid silver base. Then, multiple layers of translucent enamel are applied, creating a depth and gradient that shifts with the light. The GBBY969 glows in a deep Tomicon navy blue, while the GBBY971 mesmerizes in dark Hatoba purple. Inside beats Credor's hand wound caliber 6890, just 1.98 millimeters thin. It runs at 3 Hz, offers about 37 hours of power reserve, and features beautiful striping, polished bevels and blued screws, all visible through the sapphire caseback. Both models come on elegant crocodile straps with matching platinum pin buckles. They're priced at around 4.95 million yen, or roughly 26,000 euros before tax, and for now, they're exclusive to Japan starting October 10th, 2025. If you're a fan of traditional craftsmanship, subtle luxury, and ultra-thin watchmaking, the Credor Goldfeather GBBY969 and GBBY971 are a masterclass. What do you think of Credor's quiet artistry? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-end watch reviews.